Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix camera is not working on your iPhone after iOS 15 update and how you can fix this up completely. So let's get started. So first thing, when you're having this kind of issue, what you have to do is you just have to open your camera, then you just have to first close it, then try to open it back once again. So as you can see that here I am not having any kind of issues, but I just want to demonstrate it to you guys. So I just have to open the camera and imagine that I'm having an issue or it is black screen and I'm not able to capture anything. So what I have to do is I just have to do this, force stop it, and I have to open it once again and see whether the issue is solved or not. So this is what I have to do as the first one. So after trying this out, if it's not working, then we have solution number 2. Solution number 2 is you just have to do a reset now settings on your iPhone. So to do this, you just have to tap, what you have to do is just have to tap on the settings. Now from here you just have to scroll down and tap on general. From here you just have to scroll down a little bit and navigate to transfer or reset iPhone. Now from here you have to tap on reset option, and there is an option called reset all settings. So you just have to tap on it, give the respective passcode and go for it. Okay, this is what you have to do. After trying the second step, and if it's not working, then I better suggest you the next step. You don't have to go anywhere else, you can do it from general itself. So you have to open your settings, and from here you have to tap on general. From here you have to tap on software update, and you have to check for the software update. You're having software update, just go for it, and this is what you have to do. In the same way, simultaneously you have to do one more step. You just have to go back, and from here you just have to tap on iPhone storage, and from here you just have to make sure that you're having enough amount of space. If you're not having space, it's completely filled, then you will not be able to capture anything. So you just have to make sure that, as you can see that here it is still the plenty of spaces are available over here. And also if you're having you're completely, the iPhone is full, the storage is full, you can check out the remaining apps, and you can delete some of the unwanted apps from here which consume a lot of storage. You can do this up. And moving on to the next solution which I would like to make you notice is you can do restart your iPhone and see whether the issue is solved or not. And in order to do this, you just have to go here and you have to click over here on the shutdown option. You can go for shutdown, you just have to slide this up so it will get shut down. So you have to try this and see whether the issue is solved or not. Most probably by trying these out, the issue has to be fixed. Okay, the last and the least one which I would like to make you notice is, even after trying all these things, if it's not working, then what you have to just have to click here camera over here, and even if you still find the black screen, you have to make sure your camera is work, it's not damaged. These are the steps what you have to do, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.